SEBA to declare the HSLC results on July 30. Good morning, you're watching Karbi Anglong Live Morning News with your host Jabon Kilingpi. And now the news in detail. The Secondary Education Board of Assam had on Wednesday issued a notification stating that the much-awaited results of HSLC and AHM will be declared on July 30. More from a report. After many speculations, SEBA had notified that it would declare the HSLC results as per the date given earlier. Students will be able to download their digital mark sheet through different websites and mobile apps. Students will be able to view the result and mark sheet from 11 a.m. of July 30. Students who are not satisfied with their scores and wish to put a complaint can take help from the grievance redressal committee constituted in each district under the chairmanship of ADC in charge for education. Students may submit their grievance through the respective inspector of schools. A special examination is set to be conducted for students who are not satisfied with the marks they have been provided by the school evaluation committee. Details of the special exam will be provided after declaration of result. Such students will have to sit for exam on a theory portion of all 6 papers. Further mark sheet provided to them with marks provided by school evaluation committee will stand cancelled. On the other hand, although notification has been released, it is expected that the Assam Higher Secondary Education Council will declare the Class 12 results on July 31. News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live.
Dikrut sarpo aboha nanglitum anam jum hekpen chumesen ahan an long iji ladak nanglitum karbi kitun kedang ateng pensi long poniji kelong jia sona mong laki hantu mehek kangmoy kalangdang hanserang ahan hipi gipi chatni dumke karlu phag ok kiup phag ok slice fry phag ok kipi phag ok kimung lang ok kiup lang ok fry vo ok kimung vo ok han la penan parta VIP AC room longponeji komania hemjongsi birthday party pangri pangdona mai la pen kaprek ga jai megalongta nangji pulote long iji aprang pen ke pathi ke jiaphan 8761940579 lapen 9365239862 along humri lote longponeji lapen mingchibi ikha ajo ke sangja par saisetami ingdeng hini asiang deng ingpu poniglo dikrut sarpo aboha adim lake dongmoka Karbi Anglong.
Freedom fighter Tarun Ram Phukon was on Wednesday commemorated in a Sub-Divisional Information and Public Relations Officer's office located in Hamren, West Karbi Anglong. Local journalists and members of various NGOs met together to mark the day by lighting candles. One of the most prominent freedom fighters from Assam, Deshbhakt Tarun Ram Phukon, was born on January 22, 1877 and was martyred on July 28, 1939. In 1920, he was an active member of the Assam Association. Later, he joined the Indian National Congress, Assam branch, and took the charge of the president. Under him, Assam participated in the freedom movement by taking part in a non-cooperation movement called by Mahatma Gandhi. He had been jailed for several times due to his nationalist activities. To commemorate his death anniversary, which is also known as Deshbhakti Divas, the District Information and Public Relations Officer of Hamren took the initiative to assemble local scribes and NGOs.
Deshbhakta alang Assam angkang pipen alang pan kaching honai Tarun Ram Phukon pan Deshbhakta pusalang pan hanglo laben piniarni abang ke ingdeng trona ke prahini an chikimu pononglo Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma alang lipen sila so kapang dak penajok non West Karbi Anglong long make pining pen keching si polon ponlo nasi kewang jia aningkan anstame non la COVID-19 jongsi ave lapen clip lo pulotangte morning abang ke anso se alon do muchot alira champi muchot lapen kithur mi uwe tum sitame o muchot pen ching room dun pen det long ri khai kaching hon ang thek ilitum kachethan kachimum pon pen ilitum Karbi arat atom sitame anso se kaching thur ponji lapen e khai ilong ri sitame ilitum kelong ponji yasemet article 244e sitame ilitum kachedan ahok pen kachedan pon thekji aphan ilitum chethan chimum ponlongji nasi pini yasemet Tarun Ram Phukon aphan kachikimu inang kok abangke alangli ko ano ni porhi lo
Daniel Inghi from Hamren for Karbi Anglong Live. In a notable development, MLA Darsing Ronghang had on Wednesday inaugurated a newly completed house built under the PMAY urban scheme. Here is a report. The inaugurated house was built in a village under Ward number 10, Hawarkehat Municipal Board. The MLA was accompanied by Hawarkehat MAC and KACM Khonsing Rongpi, Hawarkehat Municipal Board Chairman Pratap Hendik, and several other local leaders. During the program, MLA Darsing Ronghang said that he was indebted to the people of Hawarkehat for letting him win the recent assembly election. Further, MAC Ronghang said that construction of more than 70% of the total sanctioned houses had been completed and more will be included in the list of beneficiaries both in the rural as well as urban category. He reasserted to fulfill all his commitment made to the people.
আজি এই হাওড়াঘাট যিটো নগৰ সমিতিৰ অন্তৰ্গত কেন্দ্ৰ চৰকাৰ তৰফৰ পৰা PMAY যিটো ঘৰৰ যিটো আঁচনি আৰবান এলেকাত বনোৱাৰ যিটো ঘৰৰ আঁচনি সেই ঘৰ আঁচনিখন ইতিমধ্যে প্ৰায় শেষ হৈ উঠিছে আৰু খবৰ কৰিলোঁ ইয়াত প্ৰায় মানে 70% ঘৰবিলাক সম্পূৰ্ণ হৈ উঠিছে আৰু 30% ঘৰ আছে এইবোৰ মানে এই মাহৰ ভিতৰতে মানে সম্পূৰ্ণ হৈ উঠিব আৰু যিবোৰ ঘৰ সম্পূৰ্ণ হৈ উঠিছে সেই ঘৰবোৰ আমি এটাৰ পাছত এটা আমি উদ্বোধন কৰি গৈ আছোঁ গতিকে আশা কৰিছোঁ যে আহিবলগীয়া দিনত এইবোৰ ঘৰৰ যোগেদি আমাৰ গৃহস্থসকলে যথেষ্ট সকাহ পাব আৰু তেওঁলোকে আৰু অন্যান্য আৰু টাউন এলেকাত বা নগৰ এলেকাত বসবাস কৰা দুখীয়া ৰাইজসকলক আমি তাতোতকৈ আৰু অধিক দিবলৈ কাৰণে আমি পদক্ষেপবিলাক লৈ আছোঁ গতিকে আমি আশাবাদী আমাৰ চৰকাৰে আমাক এইবোৰ আৰু আৱৰ্তন দিব
Harsing Rongpi from Hawarkehat for Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.